In the hush before the morning light, when shadows still embrace the night, a dream arose, so pure, so high, beneath the crescent's watchful eye. It spoke of freedom, strong and clear, of faith unbent, of heart sincere. It marched through storms, through blood and pain, till liberty was ours to gain. From the orchards green in Punjab's lands, to Sindh's vast plains and golden sands. From Khyber's peaks so sharp, so tall, to Balak desert's endless call. Kashmir's valleys, jeweled and deep, hold memories our hearts still keep. Every stone, each stream, each tree, whispers the hymn of being free. The day was won, the chains were torn. A nation young, yet proud, was born. Its flag unfurled in the August breeze, like prayers that rise from bending knees. The crescent smiles in silver grace. The star shines bright in heaven's face. Green speaks of life, of hope, of spring. White sings of peace that angels bring. O Pakistan, my sacred land, your soil is gold, your skies are grand. Your rivers hum, your mountains pray. Your children guard you night and day. We honor those whose blood was shed, who dreamed of you and forged ahead. Quaid's vision still lights our way. Iqbal's verses our hearts obey. Yet freedom's gift is ours to tend, to build, protect, defend, amend. For every August we must vow to serve you better here and now. May peace take root, may hatred cease. May justice reign, may love increase. May you, my homeland, ever rise beneath the grace of Allah's skies.